Hi, my name is Rowena. I'm here just to share how to restore a broken relationship. We think that everything is over and there's nothing much can do if we find out our partner are betray us or be cheating with us. So what we're gonna basically is you need to think yourself. You need to think that how you can restore it. Okay, beginning. You need to think that first, where why my husband or boyfriend going to another woman. So what is the reason why he goes to another woman? I know this feeling is very terrible and everyone doesn't want like um, sharing their partner. No one like that. I know that. It's basically like, oh, and especially that you never know that he does that for many years and or months or whatever or decades. But what I can, what we can do is find the resolution and find the roots why my husband does this and why my boyfriend does this. Okay, man, I I ask a lot question of other colleagues, Muslim men, of course, men. Okay, so I ask them why guys are fall to other women. So what they're lacking for their partner. So in based on my evaluation, sometimes women we have also lacking why our spouse go to a different woman. Okay, how to restore your broken relationship? First, evaluate when your spouse, imagine when your spouse already cheating or he has an affair and you find out lately. So you need let them your spouse time and talk to him and what's the reason why he does that. Don't judge him and show your love. Even his hurt. I know it's very difficult to giving instantly like love the person that you know this person is hurting you much. Based on my experience, it's a terrible feelings because it's happened to me when my spouse after almost 10 years that I never imagined that he will do that. So but you know what? It's look like a wake up calls. Sometimes as women we never realize we just become more negligence. Okay? Um, the reason why our husband or boyfriend cheating on us because like man is a man. Okay, I know we have always thinking about fairy tale like this man will gonna be to me and loyal to me and whatever, and he will give me a love that is honestly you will not find that kind of infatuation feelings. Like you need to know what is man needs, and of course you need to respect yourself. You need to be like you know your dignity, you know your value as a being woman. If you want to restore your relationship or if you want to be with your man forever in your life, you need to working out. Beginning, ask yourself first. Before when you first dating with your boyfriend or when you first dating with your husband, And before, when she met you, you are so beautiful and sexy, and then suddenly when you are together for how many decades, 5 years or 3 years, and you are negligent with your body and for yourself, no wonder our husband will go to another woman. Okay, this is for all women who has husband or boyfriend or common spouse. You need to be always attractive to your partner most of the time, because woman is everywhere. They're all always free to your partner. When you are negligent, somebody will be there available 24/7. So this is I can advise based on my experience, because when I experienced this for like much, I never making videos like this, because it's not me to make some video about my personality, but just to help other women what we had experienced. Okay, if you love your husband, if you love your boyfriend, as a woman we know our value, but we cannot be negligent as being a woman. We cannot be become more gaining weight, or something like we getting, woman is every year we gonna change look, everything, but maintain as you is. And what the thing is, first, make sure give romance with your partner, give love with your partner. You must be the one top to other woman, because a lots of woman will gonna counterpart with that. So in my experience, first, you always have lots of doubt. Do I good enough? What I did wrong? Why he does this? Do I deserve to feel this pain? We are not deserved to feel this pain. I know that. We are not deserved to experience a terrible pain that somebody look like. For me, what I experienced, I look like somebody pinching in my heart. So it's so, I couldn't imagine the feeling. What is it? So now, when you're learning your mistake, you need to be more and more. How you gonna be spice in your relationship? For this topic, you need to know what is your husband need. And if you're something have like bothering in yourself, you need to open up. Don't just only in yourself, because man doesn't know what our thinking. They don't know. You need to talk and one-on-one, or you should tell to him. If you feel hurt, so you feel hurt. And you need to ask him if he's still like he has already affair, if he's still in love with that person or not. You need to ask him. You need to know what his inside, his side, I mean. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm gonna post it next every Friday. So regarding how to build up our relationship with our partner. So just keep watching. Bye.